Hi, Nicole here. I hope you're doing well. Today's video is all about how using the Canon Connect app when I'm on location or when I'm shooting something in my studio and I want to pull up the Connect app to kind of drop it to my computer, or if I want to do a quick edit before I want to post, so let's say to Instagram, or if I'm on location and I have a creative director and I want to show them kind of live how I'm shooting. It's such a great tool when it's working. Okay, so I have my Canon 5D Mark IV in the 35 lens on it, if you're interested, and I have it turned on. Now, at the top of the screen, you can see it says Wi-Fi off. Okay, so this can happen from time to time. So if you've already gone through the steps and you have the Camera Connect app on your phone, so if you've gone through the steps of setting up Camera Connect, I have to typically kind of trigger the connection every time I turn the camera on. So right now I turned it on, it says Wi-Fi is off. If it was on, I would know it because it'd be like blinking, but it's still, so I know it's off. So we're gonna turn the camera on. I'm gonna go to menu, and it's in the yellow section on the 5D Mark IV. You can see the tool there, and on the fourth page you have communication settings. So I'm gonna click on communication settings, built-in wireless, yep. Enable, there is that's what I'm gonna look for when I go to the Wi-Fi. So send images to smartphone, it's saying the smartphone is not connected. I go to Wi-Fi function, and here's all the items that I can connect. So I'm going to choose the phone. I'm going to connect to device, okay. Now you can see up above here, Wi-Fi is on, okay. Then if I look up here, before this was not flashing, it said Wi-Fi off. Now it's saying Wi-Fi on. Okay, so now I'm going to, let's see, I'm going to reverse this. You're going to see me. I'm going to go to my settings, go into my Wi-Fi, and now my network, the one for Canon, is appearing. Now it's going to connect. Now I can go into the app, give it a second. You can see it's trying to connect there. I see it displaying up top. Now we're live. So two things can happen. I can either do remote live viewing. So I do this if I have this on a tripod, or I'm trying to maybe I'm taking a picture with myself included and I need a trigger. So this is great for that. Or if I need to not disturb the camera and take it remotely, ideal situation. Or I can go to the camera and it will show me all the images on my memory card right now, and then I can choose one. I was looking for this one of these from my past video that I just made. And now I can go import, and now that will save into my camera roll. So if I wanted to then make an edit and then post that to Instagram, you can do that. So that's a great little feature when you have this Wi-Fi. But I wanted to show you kind of like my troubleshooting, because it is a great, powerful tool when it's working, but it's all that troubleshooting, just always going through that cycle. Once it's connected and you have the app, great, but triggering that Wi-Fi. Here's another huge tip. If you're on location and your creative director is using the app and is seeing you go through the images, and every time you take a picture it's popping up, okay, great. But if your phone goes to sleep, the connection stops. So you have to reconnect. So if you want to, before handing it over to the art director, go to the settings so then it never goes to sleep while you're on location and doing this, that would be ideal. Otherwise, just know that once the phone goes to sleep, you have to reestablish that connection yet again. So kind of troubleshooting there. It's a great, powerful tool. So I do recommend it, but just know those things in the back of your mind so then you can just be quick on your feet, problem solve as all photographers do, and then move on to shooting. Okay, hope this was helpful.